Hi, shalom. My name is Dana, and I'm with Austin Opera in collaboration with the Round Rock Public Library, and I'm really excited to share this story time all about Hanukkah with you today. So, what is Hanukkah, and why do we Jews celebrate it? Hanukkah is about a group of Jews called the Maccabees who defeated a king named Antiochus who told them that they could not practice Judaism anymore. King Antiochus sent his army after the Jews. The Maccabees, although small, were strong and resourceful and rebellious, and they conquered King Antiochus's army. Hanukkah is also about this miracle where there was this tiny little bit of oil that should have been able to make light or fire for one day, but the miracle is that the light and the oil lasted for 8 whole days. And possibly most importantly, Hanukkah is about believing who you are is worth fighting for and not letting anyone take that away from you.
And now, step right up, it's time to play everybody's favorite Hanukkah game.
Name that Hanukkah tradition.
Hanukkah, like many Jewish holidays, is about tradition. Let's play a game to learn about some of these traditions. On Hanukkah, do we put carrots or candles in the menorah? We put candles in the menorah.
But eat your carrots. They're good for your eyes.
We light one new candle every night for 8 nights to remember the miracle of the oil lasting for 8 nights. Now, you might notice and say, hey, Dana, there are 9 candles, not 8, and you would be right. Good thinking. This middle candle is called the shamash. It is a helper candle. It lights each new candle each night. So on the first night, we would light this guy, or gal, of course. The second, the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and 8th. And here's how my family lights the menorah at Hanukkah time. You'll see us light the candles and sing a bracha, or blessing, as we light our menorah. Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kidshanu b'mitzvotav, v'tzivanu lechad lidnei shel Chanukah. You may have heard of something called a dreidel. It's a game that many people play at Hanukkah time. But how do you win the game of dreidel? Do you win by seeing who can spin it on top of their heads the longest? Or do you win it by getting the most Hanukkah gelt, or chocolate coins? You win the game of dreidel by getting the most Hanukkah gelt, and here's how it works. If you spin the dreidel and you land on hay, you get half the gelt on the table. If you land on shin, you have to put one of your gelt in. If you land on nun, you get none. And if you land on gimel, you win them all.
It's raining candles. Hallelujah.
What are some traditional foods eaten at Hanukkah time? Do we eat the most nutritious and good for you foods like broccoli and kale? Or do we just smother and fry everything in oil? Yep, we fry everything. But it's for a good reason. Remember the story of Hanukkah and how the Maccabees had enough oil to last for 8 days, and that was such a miracle? That's why we fry our foods in oil, to remember that story and keep it close to our hearts and our bellies. We fry foods like latkes, which are potato pancakes, And we make these delicious donuts that are powdered sugar on the outside and jelly filled on the inside. Yummy. So yummy. Frying some latkes. Woo! Oops. Let's learn a song sung at Hanukkah called Chanukah O Hanukkah. The song goes into detail about a lot of the traditions that we've learned today, like spinning dreidels, lighting menorahs, eating latkes and jelly donuts, and you'll also hear about a dance called the Hora, which is a special dance that Jewish people do at Simchas, also known as Jewish celebrations. I'm going to sing your part all the way through so you can hear what it sounds like, and then we'll go back and learn it together. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Let's learn this song together. I'm going to sing it line by line, and I want you to be my echo. Here we go. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. Great job. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. We're going to repeat that. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Great job! All right, now that you know the song, let's sing it all the way through with the music. This is the fun part. When you hear the song, I would love for you to listen to some of the instruments in the song. You'll hear an instrument called a clarinet, and a clarinet is used in lots of different types of music. And in this song particularly, it's used in a Jewish style of music called klezmer. So listen to that as you are singing along. I'm going to start the song and then I'll cue you when it's your part. Here we go. I'm excited. Do you hear the clarinet? Hanukkah, Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance the hora. Gather round the table, I'll give you a treat. Dreidels to play with and latkes to eat. And while we are playing, the candles are burning low. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. One for each night they shed a sweet light to remind us of days long ago. Great job! Give yourselves a round of applause. Thank you so much for sharing this fun Hanukkah time with me. I hope you've had some fun. I know I've had a lot of fun with you. Take care, and until next time, bye-bye. Shalom. Chag Sameach.
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Hanukkah.